Bonjour, bonjour les amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. Et voici Ananas qui dit bonjour. Est-ce que ça va bien, Ananas? Oui, ça va bien? Oui? Non? Non? Oh, why? Pourquoi? Oh, she said she doesn't know how to write a book. Ah, so you're in the right place, Anana. That's what we're doing today. Oui, aujourd'hui. Okay, so we are going to use the words that we learned in lesson 2.4 to make sentences and mini books. Alors, les amis, nous allons utiliser les mots appris dans la leçon 2.4 pour composer des phrases et des petits livres. Tu es prête? Oui. Okay, I think she's ready. Ça va. I hope you're ready. Allons-y. Alors, livre 2.4, son E. So, today's how-to page, so we're going to use the words voici et voilà. So, voici means here is. So, when you are showing something to somebody, you say, oh, here is, and then this is how we say it in French. En français, it's voici. So, voici means here is. Alors, we're just showing something. Alors, ici, j'ai choisi la carte des perles. So, this is our E sound flashcard, notre carte éclair. I took a picture because I'm going to show you how you put the sentence starter at the beginning and then des perles at the end. So, on the next page, we have our sentence, notre phrase. Can you repeat after me? Voici des perles. Can you say that? Voici des perles. Good job, Anana. Was that difficult? No, that was not difficult. No, good job. I'm happy to hear that. Voici des perles. Good job. And just like that, you're writing sentences, des phrases. So here is une fenêtre. So this is something that we're kind of pointing at. It's not very close to us. It's a little bit distant. Alors we're going to use voilà. Voilà une fenêtre. Can you say that? Voilà une fenêtre. Bravo. Et la prochaine, voici une tangerine. So, voici, here is, voici une tangerine. Bravo. On continue. Voici des tasses à mesurer. Can you say that? Voici des tasses à mesurer. Bravo. Oh, well, I'm glad we're not very close to the shark. Le requin. Voilà un requin. So it might be a little bit further to you. You're pointing at something. Voilà un requin. Bravo. Good job. It looks very friendly. And when you get to the end of the book, you write the end. And the French words for the end is la fin. La fin. Anana, what did you think? Ça va bien? Oui, ça va bien. Was it hard? No, not hard at all. Not difficult. So we're going to see you next time. Can you say à la prochaine? À la prochaine.